How to sign up and create account in DeepSeek AI. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, launch the application. Now simply tap on agree. Now simply tap on sign up. You can also tap on sign in with Google. Now enter the email address. Now create a password. Again confirm the password. Now once you create a password, simply tap on send code. Now wait for some time. Now verify the CAPTCHA. Now go back to the home screen. Now open up your email on a device. Now open up the first mail of DeepSeek. Now copy the code. Now go back to the application. Now paste the code here. Now simply tap on I confirm and tap on sign up. Now wait for some time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.